Hi subscribers, so now we are going to focus on the deluxe room of this facility. As you enter, you have the washing room, which includes the WC area and the shower area. Unlike most of the hotels, they have got these two areas separated and it looks very luxurious with nice marble in it. Just behind this is the mirror and the wash basin. There's also a divider before we go to the room. Just in case there are 2 or more people staying in the room, they can use this slider. Then we have this nice beautiful bedroom which has a comfortable and a huge bed, has beautiful lamps around it and a cozy corner for 2 with a sofa and a table. There's also a nice sitting area on the other side along with the television and the cupboard to keep your clothes, to keep your luggage. This room, which is a base category room, comes with a balcony which is pool facing. It is a spacious balcony with 2 chairs and a table but can easily accommodate more than 2 people. And this is a view. It has Aravali's view, which is true to its name, and then it has the pool view down. Hope you like the description. Thank you.